Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I look like a wreck. Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales. But I am organizing my makeup room and it's pretty bad. Not gonna lie, it's really bad. I'll show the screen, or you probably saw it on the thumbnail. I don't know. I'm gonna vlog mode it and just vlog like how I'm organizing my makeup desk because I just moved, so all of it is all out of order. And I was gonna record a different video today, but this was more important because you'll know why it's more important in like a second. It starts here, and this is just my everyday makeup, and I just have it in a bucket and everyday like things I use. It's a little lounge area, and then here's my makeup area. This is all my makeup, and that's some gifts I got from tour and stuff. Yeah, this is my makeup, and it all has to fit in here. So, and in here we do have extra space. What I've done so far is I've gotten this bucket, which I literally just got from the dollar store, and put all my palettes in it. So all my palettes are right here. I'm pretty sure this is all my palettes, at least all of that I can fit in here. I tried to make it like the best possible. I don't know, I really can't even grab something if I needed it, honestly. Like, this is going to be ruined in about probably 0.5 seconds of me using it. In this first drawer right here, I've already gotten my primers. This is just some of my primers. And then right here, I'm thinking of doing my brow products or something. I don't really know where, oh wait, no, right here. Okay. We're improvising. Okay, here is gonna be my sponges. And what else? We can put something else here. Oops, that's in the way. So we're gonna have two things right here. My sponges and something else. Probably, I don't know what I should put there. Maybe like highlighters or something. I'll put highlighters there. I have some highlighters right here. And then sponges right there and brushes and stuff like that. Right here I can fit something else. I have this palette, mermaid palette, and I never use it. And what I'm gonna do is put that back there in case I ever need to use it. And there we go. Okay, it holds it in place as well. So there we go. Got them. This is our first, I don't know, like thing. I'm gonna give away some of this stuff to my mom, just because I really don't use it all ever. Now the second drawer, I've already gotten some stuff in it. So when you take off the lid, I usually flip the lids. So I'm gonna flip the lid and just leave it right there. So have it like that. And then put photo of my cat, I don't know. I need to put that in the frame. This, some trash. That's an old friend of mine. No offense. My dog, my snowman that I made. Okay, good memories go here. I have some songwriting things right there. My VidCon badge. That was fun. Do not open until December 22nd, or electric chair. I'm a fan. I vlog, so I have a bunch of Polaroids, and I have this separator right here. I'm gonna put it behind. I'm gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna put all my Polaroids back there. And then I have some jewelry that I can literally just throw away because it's complete trash. I like this one, but I'm just gonna sell it on Depop or something. I don't know. I have some more Polaroids. Me and my cat. Of course, my cat, my birthday. This is me and my ex-boyfriend. Oh my gosh. My mom said never to throw away pictures, and now I know why. I literally burned Polaroids of my ex-boyfriend, my last ex-boyfriend. I burned them. Ooh, a choker, just like an iconic choker. I have to keep that. It's like memories. And then I just have some creams, a microblader, which I can actually use right now. I just have some creams, hand sanitizers, matches. That all goes in this little junk drawer. And I have this, which is actually pretty cute. So I'm gonna keep that. Some essential oils. Good. I'm gonna have a jewelry little area, and this is gonna be part of it. So I have some hoops that I haven't worn yet by BG. Got it from Ross, I think. I'm not sure. Those are gonna go there just so I know that that's a little area. Ooh, in like new products, like I got this Morphe foundation. Gonna put that right there. So this is what it looks like so far. So my matches and like my skin, my Curology, my hand sanitizers go there. My Polaroids are back there. I have my new Morphe foundation right here and some chokers. Right here is just like some memory stuff to keep me happy. And then this is a little jewelry section of like my everyday jewelry stuff that I wear. Like I'm going to put my most used hoops in here. And then over here is just going to be my daily makeup. And I need to put like my, my sprays right here. Right here, I'm going to keep my brushes in here like I used to, but I used to put them over there, but now I'm going to keep them over here. My Aria perfumes, I'm just going to line them up. And then I have my Thank You Next perfume on my dresser. This is just some bronzers or something, blushes. That's going to go in a drawer over here. But my battery's about to die, so I'm just going to like go through all of this and then I'll start organizing it. Okay, so I have made probably no progress. So I'm emptying my tour makeup bag and I have all my lipsticks right here. Basically it's like spilt, so I'm just using this to clean it all off. And then these are my sections so far. So I ended up putting Mario Badescu sprays and like finishing sprays in here. And then in here is foundations. So they go back pretty far. You can just take this out if you want to look at more foundations. But this is foundations, this is highlighters, and this is sponges. Now this is my brow stuff, and this is like eyeshadow stuff, like glitter eyeshadow. In this drawer, I'm going to have my powders, my bronzers, and my blushes. In this drawer, I'm going to have all my lip products. And in this drawer, I'm going to have my mascaras and my liners. And this is a lash foaming cleanser, so I have that in there as well. And yeah, I'm just going to basically like record me cleaning the products. For example, look at this. I don't know if you can see, but you just like clean it off. And it's so satisfying, and then you just put it in its spot. So I think I'm gonna do like a red look where I like do a red lip because I've never done that before and I'm super excited. I might do like a red devil Halloween look or something. Title it that, not really sure. Cleaning up after tour is very hard. So I have this bucket of lashes right here, and I'm just gonna put them in the last drawer. And I have these things that I got from, I don't remember, but it's just like you put it under your furniture so it doesn't move. So I put these in my little desk drawers. Okay, so I have successfully emptied this bag, and there's just like trash in there right now, but it was like all glitter and it was really bad. So I'm just gonna pop this in the washer and then I'll use it for next time. But now I need to do my everyday section, I guess, or I'm just gonna show you guys what I have so far actually. So this is the very top of my little area right here. This stuff is gonna go into one of these drawers over here. But when you open it up, you get a bunch of primers, setting sprays, that makeup palette over there, primers, Mario Badescu, setting sprays. And then in this drawer, it is highlighters, sponges, foundation, concealers, stuff for the eyes like glitter eyeshadows and eyebrow stuff. In the next drawer, this, I need to add another box or something, but it's just gonna be powders and blushes, so that's gonna be that drawer. The next drawer is all my lip products, and the last drawer is lashes, a little to go brush set. My dog is coughing. This is where my mascaras are gonna go, and all my liners are there. So that is the little organization part. Now I'm gonna do my everyday items, and I'm going to put them right over here. So I already have one bit. It's the cheerleader palette, and it's a little broken over there, so I had to tape it. But right here I have my lash glue and some face products. This is actually where I'm gonna put my accessories. I have some stuff for there. That's what it looks like so far. I kind of rearranged. So for my everyday products, I'm going to put the Smashbox primer water. So I actually found a bin right here that I'm going to either use my contours for or my everyday makeup, and I think I'm just going to use it for my everyday makeup. So I'm going to put all my everyday makeup products in there. I use the Stila, I don't know, whatever this is called. It's like a highlighter. I use that. I'm going to put that in there. I use this Tarte Hotel Heiress a lot, but I'm going to switch that out with a different bronzer. So I'm going to switch it out with Hoola. The Fenty gloss I'm going to put in there. Jeffree Star, it's called Mannequin. I love this matte liquid lip. The blush I'm going to put in there is Seduce by Tarte. I'm going to put a NYX liquid liner. I have this bronzer by ColourPop. I want to start using this more, so I'm going to put that in there. I use the milk powder almost every single day. I'm going to add another highlighter for like if I want a different color. I'm going to put my F190 Morphe foundation in here as well. I'm going to put this primer in there and also my Hydro Milk primer in case my skin gets dry. And then I have a bucket right here of all my everyday makeup that I usually use, such as Roller Lash, Big Ego, Airspun, Wet n Wild bronzer, this Wet n Wild bronzer, the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm just going to keep this under my bathroom sink because I usually do my makeup in the bathroom. And then if I want to grab this bucket right here of everyday products, I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. But I'm just going to keep this stuff underneath my bathroom sink. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's pretty much just a bunch of crap. And then over here it looks all cute. So this is what this drawer looks like. It's pretty empty. I'm going to go to the container store and get another container to fit in there for more blushes, and I'm gonna buy more powders and bronzers to fit in there. But this is probably the fullest drawer, and it's crazy, and I am actually in love with the way that this turned out, especially the top, because the top used to be full of like a bunch of crap. Okay guys, so there's Bambi over there being super cute, but I'm just gonna do an overall tour for the final time. So right here I have Bambi. Right here I have my big brushes for my face, tiny brushes for my face, eyeshadow brushes, my Ariana perfumes. I have this highlighter that has a broken lid, but it's super, super pretty. Mario Badescu stuff, lavender, just some whitening strips. In here are like hair accessories and a Jeffree Star thing that wouldn't fit. In here, I have all of my palettes. And then in the first drawer, I have primer, setting sprays. The second drawer is foundation, concealer, sponges, highlighters, eyebrow products, and eyeshadow products like that are glittery. And this drawer is going to be powders, blushes, and bronzers. So that's why it's kind of empty right now. In this drawer is all lip products. And in this drawer I have liquid liners, mascaras, and lashes. And then this is where I record. I put my camera right here and I just record like this. Have a little coffee cup right there even though I don't drink coffee. Over here is my music equipment. So this is my music part of my room. Hello. I'm gonna wipe off that mirror so I'm gonna put it somewhere really cute. I have this rack for merch, this for music. I need to unpack some of these boxes. That needs to get hung up. It's a lamp or a shade. I don't know what you call it. And then over here is just some crap that I need to go through, like face stuff and excess makeup, expired makeup, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this gave you motivation to reorganize your makeup or make it all pretty and cute. And these drawers were from Michael's, and this desk was from IKEA, by the way, and this was from IKEA as well. And these lights, they're from Amazon, so yeah. And all my containers are from the Container Store. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow all my socials, they'll be in the description down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, also there is tour merch bundles and tour merch available. So go make sure to buy it, and there will be a coupon code that's on the screen that you can use. And yeah, I love you. Bye.